Suitable for storing 3 standard can sizes. Short cans 11.15 ounces equals 330 megaliters, height 4.53 inch * diameter 2.60 inch, short cans 12 ounces equals 355 megaliters, height 4.84 inch * diameter 2.60 inch, skinny cans 11.15 ounces equals 330 megaliters, height 5.83 inch * diameter 2.26 inch. Rolling Can Dispenser Angled shelves keep cans rolling to the front for quick and easy dispensing. This feature also ensures that you get the old cans first. Save space practical design that saves your space and keep your refrigerator, fridge, freezer, kitchen, pantry, cabinets, countertops or cupboard neatly organized. Environmentally friendly. We use 100% food-grade plastic raw materials to produce products to ensure healthy use. Can organizer size, length, 14.00 inch *, width, 6.69 inch *, height, 5.90 inch. Top reviews from the United States. No hassle use when used in a particular method. The Can Dispenser is great, as long as you use it in a particular way. If you are loading the dispenser from the front of the top tray, make sure to set the end of your can against the edge. If you set it in the center, it tends to not roll straight and jams in the back drop-down area. Do this and you will be very happy with the dispenser.